Now let's learn about these icons one at a time. The first one is a pointer with which you will click and drag things here. So if I click the background here, since I don't have any objects here, I'll click the background anywhere and drag it. It will move. Very nice. Incidentally, this does the same thing. You can click and move it as well. And you can use the zoom factor here. Zoom in. When you click on it, it will zoom in. And you can zoom out. But there's a much easier way of doing it. That is, you use your scroll on your mouse, the middle one. If you scroll toward you, it will zoom out. If you scroll away from you, it will zoom in. So let's get back here and move it someplace here. Okay, so now here's an important option. I showed you what these are, but this one. This determines the behavior of things that you place on it. So let me show the most dramatic one. It's a fixed grid. So whatever you put in here will snap to the grid. We'll just go to the grid. So let me show you. Let's pick point here. And then if I put it, I want to put it in the middle here somewhere, but it will run toward the corner like that. If I click someplace here, it will go to the corner. So the only place you can put anything is on the grid if you choose that. So let's go back and then let's choose snapped grid. So this is more reasonable. So when I choose a point and I put it someplace here, it will stay there. However, if I want to go to the grid here, you will see it right now. You see, jumping. So it's close enough that it will snap to the grid. But if it's far enough, then it will stay there. So this means it's impossible to go very near, have it, because it will jump to it. So what if you really want to have it very near, but not quite at the grid? For whatever the reason, then you go here, choose this, drop this down, and do, I believe, off. Then you can put it anywhere you want. It will not jump. But then again, it will be maddeningly difficult to put it on the grid. Am I on? Am I off by 0.1, 0.01? What do I know? How do I know? So you may want to do automatic. Choose this again. This and this. That's not what I meant. Choose a point. Go here. And then here. Automatic. I think automatic kind of goes near, and yeah, it's kind of nice compromise. So I will leave at that, at automatic. While we're talking about the point, I would like to show you how to control the size and the color. So color is here, obviously. So it becomes red. And I can also control the size of it. Let's see, choose this one, bam, and go there. And I can control how big it, oh, sorry. This is how intense the color is, I believe. Actually, I don't know what it is. Doesn't do a thing. You can choose color, okay? The size is here, actually. So you can make it big, small, anything in between. And you can choose different shapes as well. For whatever the reason you may have, you can have different shaped points like that.